In this video, I will show you how to log in directly to Möbius. So the first thing you want to do before you try to log in is to make sure you have the right server. So first, make sure you have the right web address. If you Googled it or tried to search for it on the internet, you might have the wrong one. Make sure you're using the one that was given to you from your school, your teacher, your instructor, somebody. Just make sure you have the right address. And also make sure that the school name is correct. If you see a different school name here than you expected, talk to your instructor and get the right address to access Möbius. Now, when you want to log in, you have to type in your email or user login and the password associated with it. So if you created your account yourself on the Möbius system, you will just use your email and the password that you created. If you were given an account to you from a teacher or someone at your school, you can use either your email or user login and the password associated with it. So you can use either or, but once you're ready to log in and you type in the information, click on the login button. You'll see it should take you right to the system homepage. You might see a page asking you to verify your information or agree to a terms of use or privacy policy the first time you log in. But after that, every time you log in, you will be taken right to the system homepage of Möbius. And that's how you log in directly to Möbius.
Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video to be helpful. Want to see what else you can do in Möbius? Be sure to check out the links to the Möbius online help in the video description, as well as our other Möbius video guides. Subscribe to the DigitalEd channel to be the first to know when a new video comes out. And don't forget to hit that like button.